of students who monitor the aquaponics system in our garden at Branson. So we're just going to be giving you a little rundown of how the aquaponics system works and give you a little insight on what we do.
Hi, I'm Langston, and this aquaponics system runs on a symbiotic relationship between 3 different types of organisms that we have. So we have bacteria here in this compartment, and then we have plants, and then the fish. And so the fish create waste that then the bacteria convert into fertilizer, which then it all comes back over to here. And the plants use the fertilizer, and they clean the fertilizer out of the water so that the water may be used again by the fish.
Hi, I'm Erica, and this is the plumbing aspect of the aquatic plant beds. So first, the nutrient-rich water from the fish section comes up and enters through these naturally hollow bamboo pipes, which is better than PVC pipes. And the water fills these tippers, which pours the nutrient-rich water into these beds, which are traditional of Japanese garden layout. And the water fills to a point where in these, I don't know if you can see it, but in these there is a pipe sitting on top of another pipe, which is a siphon. And once the water fills up past the top of the pipe, it drains naturally, allowing the plants to grow.
Hello, I'm Frankie, and I'm going to be showing you some of the regular maintenance that we do to feed the fish. So, right here's our worm bin, and I'm going to show you guys how we feed the fish worms. If you just move some of this aside, you can see there's a whole lot of worms in here. So we sort of just pick out some unlucky worms. We bring them over to the fish. Alright, this is a little gory, so if you are at all squeamish, just watch out. We just have to cut them down to the sizes that the fish can eat. And then we put them into the fish tank. If you look closely, you can see the fish sort of go up and they grab the worms in their mouths and eat them. I am Ben Hoffner, and I'm a junior, and this is the vortex section of the aquaponics system. So how it works is water is pumped from this tank via an electric pump up into this bucket here, as well as this portion of the system, and as it enters this bucket, it comes at an angle so that it creates this vortex using gravitational potential energy. And the purpose of the vortex is, one, to filter through some amine material, and also because it spins so quickly at the bottom, it's used to oxygenate the water, which is important for the fish to live in their environment in this tank. Hi, my name's Corey, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit around the system in terms of the material choices we made, which many of which are a little bit less than conventional in the interest of staying true to our ecological principles. Almost all of our materials are either salvaged or super duper natural, and that would include our bamboo plumbing, and which
Also utilizes a bit of stainless steel. We've got these beautiful redwood slabs, which came from a tree that was milled on campus, from a tree that came from campus. And our worm bin also came from elm we milled from a tree that came down from the Dutch elm disease. And all the containers in the system are these 275-gallon IBC shipping totes that held a sugar syrup that we cleaned out and we salvaged those. We've got salvaged wine barrel and tons of salvaged and planed redwood fence boards surrounding the system.